Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set equalizer for your Sony headphones WH-1000XM4. Let's get started. So, as a first step, make sure that your headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Then, we would need to open the application Sony Headphones Connect, and here is it. The first tab that we can see right here is this main tab with some playback settings and also adaptive sound control. Now, to find the equalizer settings, we would need to go to this tab which is named Sound, and then scroll a little bit down. Here you'll be able to find this tab which is named Equalizer, and here is it how it will look by default. If you want to make some changes, we would need to click on this arrow on the right edge, and here you'll be able to find some presets as treble boost, bass boost, speech, manual, and also custom. If we want to set up a custom equalizer, we would need to choose one of these two customs and then click on this settings icon. Here you'll be able to find frequencies as 400, 1K, 2.5K, 6.3K, and 16K. Let's talk about every of them. So we have these two frequencies right here, which is 400 and 1K. This is named low frequencies and they are responsible for the bass and low tones in the vocals, guitar, and drums. And if we want to increase them, we would need to take this dot and move it to the upper part. You can choose right here from 1 to 10 how intense you want to increase these tones. Or if you want to decrease it, we would need to move this dot to the bottom part, and also it varies from -1 to the -10. And it works like this on all of the lines that you can see right here. Now we got this middle frequency which is 2.5K, which is responsible for a little bit higher tones on the instruments, for example also the same guitar, piano, violin. And if you want to increase it, you can still move the dot to the upper part and to decrease to the bottom part. And now we got here 6.3K and also 16K. Both of these are responsible for the high vocal tones. And this is the same thing. If we want to increase it, move it to the upper part and decrease to the down part. And the last thing that we can see right here is the clear bass. If you are a fan of EDM or hip hop and you like clear bass, you can increase the setting by moving this dot to the right. Here you can also choose from +1 to +10 and also -1 to -10. This is only on you. And the best way how to find the perfect equalizer settings for yourself is to pick your favorite songs, turn them on, and move these equalizer dots and listen how the sounding of the song changes. And leave it like you like it. And after you are done with the changes, click on this OK button on the right corner and you are all set. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.